Hi, so I'm here at Nissan, I think this is called Engine Museum. This museum is a free entry, so you will be given this kind of ID card at the entrance. This is really interesting. So let's take a look around and see what we got. I think this is the latest EV. Yeah, I don't know much about car to be honest with you, so I can't really say much. But yeah, it looks really nice. It looks really beautiful. They got some spare parts to show, and this is the car building process. So first one is stamping. Large body panels are stamped from steel sheets. And then body assembly, painting, assembly, and inspection. I was like here all alone, and then now there's a lot of people. Oh, this is really nice. Wow. Oh, I think that's the airbag, the white thingy over there. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Check out this cool corner right here. So it's a stamping corner. So they got like postcards. I've taken one, so I'm not gonna take again. Yeah, so there are 4 postcards will be given to you, and you can take this and stamp according to the box thingy, the box guide, and then just stamp it. Ta-da! It looks so cute. It has the body too. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it here because I've actually taken one already. And then we got I think this is a vending machine for the merchandise. I am not sure what to get, to be honest. They all look really nice. I kind of want them all. There's a towel, hand towel. The hand towel might be useful, but the bear is cute too. You know, the bear is really cute. So yeah, I'm still deciding. Maybe I'll come back later and buy some. Okay, now let's move on to the next room. This is the engine room. Let's see. Okay, do not touch. I was about to touch it, to be honest. Oh, I think this is how they mold the component for each engine. I guess I don't even know what I'm talking about, but like when I see it, I feel like, you know, this is the process of them making the engine, like from each steel component they kind of mold it. It's pretty interesting machining. Yeah, like I think this is what they're making, you know, in that video, like the cylinder head, cylinder block, and everything. Oh yeah, they all look very interesting. Crankshaft, rough product. Damn, so they have like those leftover thingy too. Just like plastic. Okay. So this is the finished product. I think they have polished some parts. They look very shiny now. Okay, the piston. Let's see other engines. MR16 DDT. I don't know what that means, but wow. I mean, inside of a car, there's actually this giant machine. Like I've actually just never seen that before, so it's pretty interesting to see. What is a motor? When a current flows through the coil, the rotation force is generated between the 2 opposite magnets. This runs the motor. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's gonna be getting faster soon. Okay, I don't think there, because I thought it's gonna be like a turbine wheel, you know, like when it's like super duper fast. This is orange pipe thingy. Pretty interesting stuff. Okay, so this is the floor plan. Think this is the room I'm at right now. So I visited those two, so I think I'm gonna go upstairs and take a look. Okay, so I am pretty hungry, so I skip through some rooms and go straight to the vending machine because I have a rice cracker in my bag. I just need something to drink. Okay, vintage posters of Nissan. So this is the guest room. This is where you can sit around and just wait. Oh, this could be a really cute merchandise. Like they have this Nissan collection mineral water. It's only 100 yen. I think I'm gonna get some more to bring home. Hey guys, so I'm really super duper hungry. I haven't had breakfast, so I'm taking a break at the guest room, eating this rice cracker. Bought this Nissan edition mineral water, which is really nice. Look at the cap. Has this thingy, I don't know what it's called, speedometer, odometer, I don't know. But yeah, it's pretty cool that they have this free museum to enter. Yeah, it's just really cool. I'm at the Yokohama area, by the way. Okay, so I am at the I guess this is I don't know, I think history museum, like history room or something. So it's showing all the models that they have previously. Oh, look at that. I think this is their very first model. It's a Datsun model. If I am not mistaken, Datsun is like a brand. But yeah, they do have this old model called Datsun. It's pretty cool. Oh, look at that, escargot. So cute. I think this is their racing car. First one's called Skyline Sports. Oh, they all look so cute. Okay, so I'm here at the engine room. There's tons of engines. So apparently downstairs, there are few engines, and apparently that's not all. So we got so many engines from many different years and models, which is really cool. And I think this is kind of like the diagram and how it works as well. To be honest with you, until now I really have no idea how car works. But I think we can turn this and see what happens. Hey guys, so I think I'm done here at Nissan Museum and I'm gonna go home now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for being here, and I think this is a really cool place, to be honest. And yeah, I hope that you guys can come here anytime soon. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.